In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to use Blue Willow in Discord. Make sure you're already logged in into your Discord account, then click on Create a Server located in the left corner, choose Create My Own, and select For Me and My Friends. Give it a name of your choice and tap on Create. Next, click on the blue willow icon in the left corner and select from Rookies. Once there, click on the blue willow icon again. Now, click on Add to Server, and from the list of servers, choose the one you created before. Hit Continue, then click Authorize, and check I'm a human. Once that's done, click on Go to the Tutorial Server Hub. Here, you need to search for something following my steps. Just be patient as you wait for the specific image to appear. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.